10 स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास m बराबर होगा मैक्सिमम ऑफ a1 mod a2 mod for an minus 1 wow epsilon plus a mod a n mod less or equal to m for all n and so an is a bounded sequence. Convergence of this theorem is false. A bounded sequence need not be a convergent sequence. Consider the sequence an is equal to 1 plus minus 1 की power n. An is less or equal to 2 for all n and so an is bounded. Limit n approaches infinity, an is equal to 0 if n is odd, and limit n approaches infinity, an is equal to 2 if n is even. Thus, the limit is not unique, and so limit n approaches infinity, an doesn't exist. Hence, an is not convergent. By definition, it is a divergent sequence. A divergence test, an unbounded sequence is divergent. As already seen above, the bounded sequence may also be divergent. Definition है monotonic sequence की हमारे पास. The sequence an is said to be monotonic sequence so non-decreasing if an less or equal to an plus 1. नॉन डिक्रीजिंग कब होगी जब आने वाली हर टर्म जो है पीछे वाले से बड़ी हो. और स्टूडेंट्स नॉन इंक्रीजिंग कब होगी जब पीछे वाली टर्म आगे वाली टर्म से बड़ी होगी या बराबर होगी. और नॉन स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग में ए एन लेस है एन प्लस 1 एंड स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग में ए एन जो है वो ग्रेटर है ए एन प्लस 1 से. थ्योरम 8.8 है. If a differentiable function f defined on closed 1 open infinity is such that fn is equal to 0, then an is increasing or decreasing according as f is increasing or decreasing on 1 infinity. Consider the sequence an whose nth terms is L natural log n by n. The function f defined on closed 1 open infinity by f of x is equal to natural log x by x such that x greater or equal to 1 is differentiable and f n is equal to natural log n by n greater or equal to 1. f dash of x है हमारे पास equal 1 minus natural log x by x का स्केल less है 0 के because for all x greater or equal to 3 natural log x greater than 1. Thus, by the theorem of calculus, function is decreasing function on 3 to infinity of close open interval. इस तरह से हमारे पास जो नेचुरल लॉग n बाई n है is a decreasing function on 3 to infinity. So natural log n by n is a decreasing sequence except for the first two terms. It may be noted that a1 is equal to 0 and a2 is equal to natural log 2 by 2 is equal to 0.35. So that the sequence is non-increasing for the first two terms, but it is not a monotonic sequence. थ्योरम है हमारे पास 8.9. बाउंडेड मोनोटोन सीक्वेंस जो होती है वो क्या है कन्वर्जेंट होती है. Let a and b a bounded non-decreasing sequence Since sequence is bounded, set A is equal to A1, A2 up to so on A, whose elements are terms of sequence is bounded set. A1 is lower bound of A since is also bounded above. It has supremum. Let M be a supremum of An is less than M for all M. And if any number smaller than M is not an upper bound of A. That is for epsilon greater than 0, M minus epsilon is not an upper bound of A. So for some natural number n minus epsilon less than an, since an is a non-decreasing sequence, m minus epsilon less than an से और ये less or equal है an plus 1 से और ये less or equal है an plus 2 less or equal to 2 to 1 less or equal to m less or equal to m plus epsilon m minus epsilon less than an और ये less than m plus epsilon an minus m mod less than epsilon की by definition an इन्वॉल्व करता है m को as an approach to infinity. Similarly, bounded non-increasing sequence Bn converges and its limit is the infimum of set.